Hello and welcome to another episode of Backtesting the ICT 2022 Mentorship. This is episode 12 for trading day, Thursday, January 4th, 2024. Here we are in the daily chart, once again switching over to the E-mini NASDAQ. We moved through this imbalance into this imbalance and are aiming for this imbalance. It doesn't necessarily mean we're going to go straight there, but still sticking with the bearish bias for this trading day. Let's jump over to the E-mini micro. Okay, I'm hopping down to the 1 hour. Here we are at 7 a.m. and we have an opportunity to look for a 1 hour imbalance. There's two of them. We have already broken through previous day low. Again, sign of bearish conditions. Jump all the way up to 8 a.m. Big move downwards. Now let's turn on our drawings. Okay. So we marked New York Midnight Open, buy side, 1 hour fair value gap. And that's pretty much it for now. Just ignore some of that over there on the right. We're not quite to 8:30 yet. Let's drop down to the 15-minute. Here we have the 8:30 news embargo being lifted. Big move down. 15-minute fair value gap forming. We can start taking trades. Creating a new sell side, taking out this low, spiked through this 15-minute fair value gap. Huge move up, reaching for that 1 hour fair value gap. Trade up into it, trade up through it, into this 15-minute fair value gap. Let's drop down to the 5. We're not looking for longs, we're looking for shorts. Will we come up and hit this buy side? Or will we see an opportunity before then? There's a huge imbalance just created. There's a move down. And there's a move down. So there's a small fair value gap forming here. That's an opportunity. In addition, on the 4-minute, we see that this move, in fact, did break structure. So potential shifting back towards our daily bias, creating a 4-minute fair value gap with that candle. Moves up into. We do take this trade. Take some heat. Does not go up to our stop yet. Moves down. Looks good. Takes out these relative equal lows. Where's our target? Here, here, or here. Could be lower, but that's plenty good for now. This is a 3.26 risk to reward ratio. All targets taken. That's a winner winner chicken dinner. Keep moving. Keep on moving into lunch. Let's skip ahead. Sideways consolidation, fair value gap trade up into. Could be a move down. Let's look for a 130. Sideways action. Trade up. There we are, piercing that 15-minute. Trade down through. So, do we see anything? Not really. Not yet. Just wild action. Here's a fair value gap. Is it becoming bearish? Is it becoming bullish? Keeps moving higher. It's a nice crackdown. Huge. Okay, so this is a 4-minute fair value gap. Where do I think price is going? I think it's going down to this sell side that was created intraday. You can see that we keep making new lows, taking out lows, taking out this low during lunch, creating another pair of lows, and then we take that out, and then we're reaching back towards that. We're not reaching towards old highs, we're reaching towards old lows. So where's the next old low? Well, right here. We could crack down to that. That could be your first partial. Or down here, or again, marking the sell side. I'm really liking this opportunity. We have not yet reached our optimal trade entry. %, close. 61 is even better. Okay, we hit both. Here we're actually going 50% of the fair value gap itself. It's one approach. It's one option. In any event, we enter and we look for a draw. Down here. In all honesty, we would probably take partials here and here. Here, for real. Snagged it. That would have been a great idea, just in case. See this move back. Plowed through, reverse. Got some time left. In summary, a much cleaner and a nice 49.25 move and a 50.5 move. I don't know, this one felt good. This one felt real good. With a theoretical $10,000 account with a 1% max loss, trading the micro E-mini NASDAQ. On the 4-minute chart, we have heat potential 15.5 and 18.5, both good risk-reward ratios. 3 contracts calculated here, 2 contracts calculated here for a $500 gain, which is 5% of the account. That's incredible. I think that's a good stopping point. I appreciate everyone watching. If you could like and subscribe. Everyone asks that question, but I'd really appreciate it. If you have questions, post them in the comments, and hope to see you next time.